So basically, Apple's chief design officer, Jony Ive, will be leaving the company Apple later this year. In 6 months to be exact. He started to work for Apple in 1996. Now he is finally going to leave Apple, because if you think about it, if you worked for the same company, no matter how big it is, you're still going to feel bored after 3 decades. So he will be leaving Apple and creating his own company, From. I suppose he made the name, but it's just kind of strange. However, Apple will still be one of his main clients, so don't expect Apple's designs to change drastically, because he will still be working with Apple, just not for Apple anymore. Apple will continue to have the benefit of Jony Ive's talent by working directly with him through exclusive projects and through the ongoing work of the brilliant and passionate design team that Jony Ive has built. Apple's CEO Tim Cook has said in a press release, after so many years of working together, "I'm happy that our relationship continues to evolve, and I will look forward to working with Jony long into the future. Ive is one of the world's most esteemed industrial designers and has worked on some of the world's most revolutionary products. Now he will be creating his own design company. But with his past track record of creating these great products, most other companies will probably come to him as well for him to design their phones or their computers. So I have this question. What if another Apple competitor, like Google, who cannot design good phones?" You heard me. And please don't press the dislike button, press the like button, not dislike. Google cannot make good phones. Okay, you just click the dislike button, but keep listening, don't click away. So what if they paid Jony Ive from From to design their new phones? What would happen? Because Apple will still be one of their main clients, but that wouldn't mean they wouldn't get other requests from other companies. So if he just worked for the other companies, then what would he do? Would everything on the market just look like something made by Apple? Or would he go a different route? What do you guys think? If you guys think that he will somehow create tons of different designs and publish them out, or do you think that they'll just be like Apple ripoffs? Or do you think he won't be accepting other Apple competitors? And leave your opinion in the comment section below. Oh, and also, in case you haven't realized by now, I'm not using my Memoji. It's because that Apple has this problem where if you record a long session of Memoji videos, I think the cache files won't get deleted even if you delete the video after you transfer it. So the system storage will increase because those are trash files that it's not deleting. So basically every 2 days I have to wipe my phone, factory reset it completely, and then restore it. Only then would it work again. And then when I want to record a new video, I have to use the Memoji, which if you understand how things work, just repeats. And it takes a really long time. So I hope you don't mind me wearing this. Alright, thank you so much. This has been the entire video. And click here to subscribe. And over here, I can't reach. Okay, yeah, over here are 2 videos that you should watch. Just choose one of them and click it. Alright, bye.